Guys, so the next step in fixing an ugly lawn is to look at your landscape, the soil conditions.
Look at that soft, thick lawn my kids are playing in. Everyone that visited commented on it, but it wasn't always that way. It used to look like this. Ugh. Well, we sold that house, and so now I've got another ugly lawn to fix. Be sure to watch the whole playlist to see all the steps I'm taking to turn it from ugly to awesome.
So we just did a soil test, I think it was yesterday. And now I'm looking at the soil. So something you might have noticed in the video is I've got these trenches along, and I got another one over here. And now what that's from is I've got some drainage issues that I need to deal with. And so like I said before, this was really compact, and so the water is just pooling here. It's not draining, and so it's causing watering issues. And so while you're waiting for the soil test, it's a great time to look at what areas need to be leveled and whatnot before you start applying products. Now, one thing to note, if you're like in my backyard, I've got a spot where there's a dip that I'm going to be putting in new soil. So obviously that new soil is going to have different nutrients than the existing soil. So it might be worth doing a soil test on that. I'll leave that up to you. I honestly probably won't, because compared to the whole yard, it's gonna be, wow, it's windy. Woo, it's cold. Oh boy. Anyways, so I hope the wind, I got my fancy mic on today, so I hope the wind is not bothering you guys, but yeah, I'm probably not gonna do the soil test. I might, because I want to do the test with all the tests and compare the tests. But anyways, I'm getting a little sidetracked here. So I got a really cool tip. You're going to need two things. What's neat about this is you probably only need to buy one thing, and that would be this. And technically speaking, you could probably use like a screwdriver or even your finger if your soil is soft enough, or maybe a big stick or something if you want to do it that way. But this is a lot easier and quicker. So the first step is you're going to poke some holes. So did I push a button? I can't tell if I messed things up. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, poke some holes. Oh boy, wow. That is, oh man, that is compact, look at that. So, poking holes. I'm just trying to go over the most difficult part, but let's see. I don't know how much. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think one more, maybe two more. Make some holes. Now, in the past I've used sand, but this is really bad. So instead, I don't know if a lot of you guys know that I've got Lyme disease, but I get tons of headaches. So I've been taking a lot of Excedrin, and I used to buy the big bottles, but I started to think about it. These little bottles, they all have something in here. Let's see if I can show you. These guys, not the pills. Hold on. Got these things, and what's that for? To keep moisture out of the bottle. So we're gonna use them to get the moisture out of the soil and alleviate all that water pressure. So it's actually pretty simple. So I've been collecting these here. Side note, Samsara Tick Immune Support, I recommend on Amazon if you got Lyme issues. It's worked well. I got a whole bunch of them in here I've been saving up. And so I'm just gonna pop one in every hole. All right, let's see here. All right. You do have to get down on the ground for this. Just drop one in each hole. Now what's nice about this is, let's see a better angle. So Yes, I've been taking lime supplements for a while now, but anyways, pop one in each hole. What's nice is because it's plastic, it's not going to deteriorate like the sand does. Like if you've aerated before, you know that over time you end up filling up the holes, and so these guys will actually reduce the moisture and do a lot of good for you without deteriorating. So boom. Oh, I guess I thought I had more. So now I am, oh, there's more in the bottle, but put them in a second. I did see on Amazon that you can actually buy them, just the pieces. So I'll put a link, because obviously I thought I had a lot more than that, but I used them up pretty quick. So I'll probably order some on Amazon. You can get like a boatload of them. They're wicked cheap. But I thought it was like, hey, I got these guys, I've been throwing them out, and then why not put them to good use? So that's the tip for today. If you got other tips for soil moisture management, put them below. These work a lot like there's a lot of products that go in potting soil and everything where it like holds the moisture in and then releases it. So what's great is it'll hold the moisture in, and then on a dry day it'll release it. It's the moisturizing technology in these things is pretty awesome. So there you have it. It's already in your home. You just didn't know it. So go try it out. All right, thanks. Bye. Have a great one.
If you like my videos, you'll love my website, grassdaddy.net. The lawn care planner tool will download the local weather reports every morning and build a lawn care plan catered to your area. The lawn care journal allows you to keep track of what you put down, when you put it down, so there's no more guessing or over or under applying any products. We also have a Lawn of the Week contest. Every week a winner gets a Grass Daddy t-shirt. And last but not least, there are application calculators and articles to help you identify and tackle problems in the lawn. So check it out, it's completely free, it's grassdaddy.net.